Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. To set up follower alert on your Twitch account, you need to follow these simple steps. First thing first, you have to log in. So go to your browser. You can also use it from your application. So type in twitchtv.com, log in into your account. So you can set up or enable alert by going to the alert page within the creator dashboard. Now, to go to creator dashboard, press the profile from the top right and go to creators dashboard. Once you press that, it's going to take you to this page where you can find from in the left hand sidebar alert section. You could simply go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're prompted to the alert section, you can press this plus or the create alert box option. Then it's going to prompt you to the next thing. Now you can think of an alert set as a collection of all the alerts you'd like to show on your video feed. Include subscribing, following, reading, hype, trends, and much more. So here you could go ahead and customize the channel settings. So you could go and do this text and speech, all that. So in order to do it, so you could go ahead and select it, and once you've selected that, you need to go ahead and save the changes. Once you've done that, with this you've completely followed the steps. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.